Good morning, student. Student, exercise 13.3 continue. Now question number 4. Question is, in answering a question on a multiple choice test, a student either know the answer or guesses. Let 3 by 4 be the probability that he know the answer and 1 by 4 be the probability that he guesses. Assuming that a student who guesses at the answer will be correct with probability 1 by 4. What is the probability that student know the answer given that he answered is correctly? Student, let there is a multiple choice question divided into two parts. Student either know the answer or guess the answer. Then let E1 that he know the answer, E2 he guess the answer. Then PE1 3 by 4 be the probability that he know the answer. PE2 is 1 by 4 be the probability he guessed the answer. Student, they let A is the condition that he is correctly answered correctly. Answered correctly. When student know the answer, then probability that it is correctly is A oblique E1 is 1. A oblique E2 when he is 1 by 4. Guess the answer. Correctly answered is 1 by 4. Now student, we have to find the probability that student know the answer. Means PE1 oblique A. It is PE1 into P A oblique E1 divided by PE1 into P A oblique E1 plus PE2 into P A oblique E2. Here PE1 3 by 4 and it is 1 upon 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Now here 1 by 4 common is cancelled, then it is 3 upon 3 plus 1 by 4. Then it is 3 into 4 upon 3 into 4 plus 1. Or it is 12 upon 12 plus 1, it is 12 by 13. Student, now question number 6. Question is, there are 3 coins. One is two-headed coin. Another is biased coin that comes up head 75% of times. And third is an unbiased coin. One of the 3 coins is chosen at random and tossed. If it shows head, what is the probability that it was the two-headed coin? So, question is divided into 3 parts. It is two-headed coin, 75% head, it is biased coin. And it is unbiased coin. So it is 50%. Then one of the coin is selected at random and it is found to be two-headed coin. Headed coin. There are three coins, 1, 2 and 3 coins. Let E1 is the selection of first coin. Of coin 1. E2 is selection of coin 2. E3 is selection of coin 3rd. Since all the coins are equally likely, so PE1 equal to PE2 equal to PE3 is 1/3. Now, let it is A, it is head is coming, probability that A is coming head. A is the case when there is coming head. Let P A oblique E1 is coming head when it is two-headed coin. So its probability is 1. It is coming head when it is 75% head is coming. 75% means 3/4. It is the case when it is unbiased coin. It is 50% or 1/2. Student, we have to find the probability of E1 oblique A. Means two-headed coin and coming head. Then formula for this, P E1 oblique A is PE1 into PA oblique E1 upon sigma I equal to 1 to 3 PEI into PA oblique EI. It is equal to 1/3 into 1 upon 1/3 into 1 plus 1/3 into 3/4 plus 1/3 into 1/2. Here 1/3 common and cancel. So it is simply 1 upon 1 plus 3/4 plus 1/2. Now LCM is 4. It is 4 plus 3 plus 2. So answer is 4/9. It is 4/9.